Hello guys, I hope you are well and I hope you haven't got any unnecessary fines since my last video. In this short video, I'm going to teach you the ferry regulations and I'm going to explain it how to use the tachograph if you want to switch on the ferry mode and exactly when do you need to switch on the ferry mode, and also I'm going to provide you with extra information, technical information, how to use the split brake for ferry crossing and so on and so on. So let's see the usual website, which is www.transportcommunity.eu, and if you have the website, the usual way is transport, road transport, and the regulations we need. And today, as usually, we need the 561 from 2006 and, very important, the amended version. So you just click that and Article 9 will provide you with the information about ferry crossing. I don't want to read the law, the regulation, because it's just too difficult, and I just want to tell you the most important parts. What kind of break, what kind of rest can you use for ferry crossing? Basically, the regular daily rest, which is 11 hours or more, and you have to do that 11 hours within the 24 hours period. If you can't remember this, just check my previous videos. What does it mean, regular daily rest? And then the next one is reduced weekly rest. That's a new one, and this is very handy actually. So this one is the 24 hours or more, but less than 45 hours. Because the last one is the regular weekly rest, and that will be the 45 hours or more. But in that case, we have one more condition, but just start at the beginning. So if you want to use your regular daily rest period or a reduced weekly rest period, so 11 hours or the 24 hours period, then you can use it, of course, that's a good news, and you can interrupt not more than twice, very important, twice by other activities. And that's a difficult question, how to do that in the reality, as very difficult to do that, to handle the tachograph properly. But in the next video, I'm going to show you technically how to do that properly. And these two interruptions, not exceeding 1 hour in total. So altogether, if you have those activities, as you can interrupt twice the regular daily rest or reduced weekly rest, just to roll on basically and roll off from the boat. That means you can use altogether 1 hour to do that. Okay, so twice and not exceeding 1 hour. And what else do you need? Of course, you need a sleeper cabin, bunk or couche on the boat or on the train, because this specific regulation is for ferry crossing or train, but usually we use that for ferry crossing. Okay, and what about the regular weekly rest? That's the 45 hours break or more or longer. So how to use the regular weekly rest? The situation is the same, so you can interrupt not more than twice, roll on and roll off, by other activities, and not exceeding 1 hour in total, same conditions, but we have one more condition. That journey, the route, the ferry crossing, is scheduled for at least 8 hours or more. So that route must be longer than 8 hours. And of course, again, you need sleeper cabin in the ferry or on the train if we're talking about train. But as I said before, we usually do the ferry crossing. Right. And in the next video, I'm going to show you how to do that. That's very important. Technically, this is the regulation, describes the tachograph, the digital tachograph, and most of the drivers have no clue how to do that properly, because there is only one way to register the ferry crossing in the tachograph. And I'm going to show you how to use this during your regular daily break, and also you can use your split break, which is the 3 + 9 hours, which is very handy. And that's interesting, you can use and you can do 2 ferry crossing during your split break, so that will be very interesting. And also technically I'm going to show you how to switch on, this is a Stone Ridge tachograph, how to switch on the ferry mode. So just push OK, ferry or train, and if you go back you can see the ferry icon here. But very important, exactly when do you need to switch on the ferry mode, otherwise the tachograph won't be able to record the ferry crossing properly. So that's very important. So that's it for now. That's the basic regulation, and technically we'll see that how to do that in the next video. So don't forget to subscribe. Just join the transport community today. You can watch back these videos free, absolutely free on YouTube, on my YouTube channel, or if you visit www.transportcommunity.eu, you can visit that website for absolutely free, and these videos are free. And also you can use this tachograph simulator on the website, so you can practice how to switch on the ferry mode on a Stone Ridge tachograph. So that's it for now, guys. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, just share it. Maybe it will be useful for others. So thanks again for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye. If you would like to support our work, please subscribe to the Pro package. You can do so on the Transport Community website, which is www.transportcommunity.eu, and then pick the membership levels page and Pro monthly or Pro yearly plan, which is less than €7.5 per month. But of course, as you see here, you have 3 days trial, which is completely free. But if you are over the 3 days and still not satisfied, I give you 100% money back guarantee. Join the transport community today and keep your money in your wallet. Enjoy trucking and don't be afraid of the law.